guys, so today we're giving a little tender loving care to the old shadow. I'm gonna try to replace the bolt in the bottom of the forks, and then I also gotta change out the battery. But shouldn't be too much going on. But let's get to it. Thank God it came with some new damn bolts. The ones that came off of here are shaped. Dog deuce. Stick this buddy right in there. Wrong way. If this is your first time taking this off, the long screw goes on this side, and then the shorter screw goes on this side. And this just kind of, yeah. Actually, it's fine right there where it's at. Alright. There's that. Alright, so for these bottom ones, you're gonna need a 6 Allen head. Alright, but next thing you'll need to do if you've already got those 2 bolts out on the bottom, then you can come over here and take off the caliper. It is a size 12. work that off of there. I don't really want to leave this hanging, but I'm just gonna sit it right there for now. It'll keep it propped up. You can leave the speedo cable on it. I mean, that one doesn't really matter. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in here. This is the bolt that I'm gonna need later. The reason I never changed it up to begin with is because I had to order this part offline because it's a weird size that I could not find in the store. But it's a M10 by 1.0 extra fine, but it's an Allen head top to it because it recesses into this top part of the fork that's behind the axle here. But for the axle, you will need a 17. Don't know if you can see that. Not even sure if the camera's getting what I needed to get. But you'll need a 17 Allen head. Sorry guys, I had to go find my damn bar to get this axle off. I'm gonna jack the back up a little bit now. Alright, so on this side you got your speedo that's hooked in right there, and then on this side you just got a spacer bushing that you need to make sure you put back whenever you put the tire back on. There goes the speedo. So now you can roll this wherever suits your fancy. I'm gonna sit mine down right there. Alright. So now that we got that off, loosen up these in order to get the fork off. But this one up top, just loosen it. It is a 6. You don't have to take these all the way out. They're just like, they're just in there to hold that gap between the triple tree and the fork closed, so that way you don't lose your fork. The next one you'll need is a size 8, and that goes right here. Some bitch might be on there. Okay. Alright, but you see, as we loosen them, it just pops right off. And you can just slide this on down. Alright, so now I got fork in hand. As you can see right here, I have stuck a wad of electrical tape, and that was to mainly stop any leaking if there was any to occur. And obviously it did not do the trick. As you can tell though, that bolt is kind of, you know, like it's this bolt right under there. And it's all boogered up, I guess, from the last person that redid the forks other than me, but yeah, that is what we are dealing with. But I will get that out and then hopefully put the new one back in it without losing much oil. Or without losing any oil. That's the plan. Shit. Alright, well guys, this may be the end of the video today. The bolt that I had ordered is just a little too big to fit inside of the hole where that bolt needs to go. So I will have to try to get something else. I wonder if I'll loosen this enough, if I could get this fucker through there. I'm gonna fiddle around with it for a little bit and see, but maybe I can get it to work. I spread that open just a smidget. I don't know. Oh, this is most annoying shit. Alright, well, if I can't get this to work, this video will just end for now, and then I'll pick it back up whenever I get the part or the bolt. But thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I mean, you know, can't finish my work now. But I'll catch you on the next one.